Nail cleaning brushes are essential tools for maintaining healthy and hygienic nails. There are many products available to choose nail cleaning brushes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best nail cleaning brushes from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 12-pack Handle Grip Nail Brush. This 12-pack handle grip nail brush set comes in assorted colors and features clear polypropylene fibers that gently clean hands, while the stiffer nylon fibers are perfect for removing ground-in dirt around the nail and cuticle. The pedicure brushes have comfortable grips for secure use, and the package includes 12 pieces, so you'll never have to worry about not being able to find a brush. Number 2. 4-pack Handle Grip Nail Brush Fingernail Brush. The Space Bauer Nail Brush Set is a convenient and versatile tool for keeping your nails clean. Made with hard plastic handles that are durable and won't bend, and flexible plastic bristles that won't scratch your skin, this set of nail brushes is perfect for removing dirt from your hands, fingertips, and feet. Whether you're in the kitchen, bathroom, or garden shed, these brushes are easy to handle and provide a comfortable grip. With 4 different colors to choose from, you can easily assign a brush to each member of your family. The Space Bauer Nail Brush Set includes both medium and small sizes, making it suitable for both adults and children. Number 3. 10 PCS Handle Grip Nail Brush. The Nicemovic Nail Brush is a set of 10 high-quality handle grip brushes that are perfect for daily nail cleaning. The sturdy plastic handles are durable and not easily bent, while the flexible plastic bristles are gentle on the skin. These compact and lightweight brushes are easy to carry and store, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. They are not only great for cleaning nails, but also for removing dirt from hands, feet, and even pets' nails. Additionally, these brushes are practical for household equipment cleaning, such as kitchen sinks and bathroom floors. With their random color delivery, the Nicemovic Nail Brush Set adds convenience and variety to your daily cleaning routine. Number 4. 15 Pieces Nail Brush. This set of 15 handle grip nail brushes are designed with non-slip handles, 5 different colors, and are multifunctional. They can be used for cleaning nails, toes, bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, plant pots, and patio furniture. The plastic long handle is easy to hold, and each brush has a hole at the top for hanging. The brushes are gentle and soft enough not to hurt the skin, but with strong bristles to clean nails thoroughly. Plus, the different colors make it easy to distinguish between brushes. Number 5. 6-pack Handle Grip Nail Cleaning Brush. The Kitty Nail Cleaning Brush is a high-quality, easy-to-use tool for keeping your nails and other small parts clean. Made with food-grade plastic, the brush handle is both durable and safe to use. The bristles are flexible, providing just the right amount of firmness to effectively clean without scratching the skin. With its unique design, the brush fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas like nail seams. The compact size and practical handle design allow for easy storage and portability, making it perfect for travel. Not only can this brush be used for nail cleaning, but it is also suitable for cleaning gaps in your home, making it a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks. The Kitty Nail Cleaning Brush Kit includes 4 handle grip brushes in different colors and 2 long handle brushes, providing you with options for different cleaning needs.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.